Hi guys, how can you create this transparent glass number effect in Photoshop like this? First, go to the text tool and add your text. I've already added my text number, so I'll turn the eye icon on. Now press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate of the text layer. Select the duplicate layer and set the fill to 0%. Do the same fill 0% for the original text layer as well. Now open blending options. Go to bevel and emboss and turn it on. Set the values like this. Depth around 1000, size around 20. Soften around 3. Angle 90 degrees. Keep the remaining settings the same. Change the highlight color to blue. And set the shadow mode. Opacity to 0%. Now go to Contour. Select Ring Double. Adjust the range to 58. Press OK. Go to Inner Shadow and enable it. Choose a purple color. You can note the color code. Set opacity 30%. Distance 0. Choke 65. Side around 46. Note the other settings. Now go to Drop Shadow. Choose the shadow color a navy blue. Note the color code if needed. Set opacity 8%. Angle 90 degrees. Distance 50. Spread 16. Size 76. Press OK. Now select the duplicate text layer. Open bevel and emboss again and adjust. Depth around 43. Size around 101. Soften 3. Keep all other settings the same and press OK. And that's it. Your transparent glass text effect is ready in Photoshop.